Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have a Spin Master Monster Jam unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing a 2-pack from Spin Master Monster Jam Mix 6, and it is Aftershock versus the Tour Accurate Max D. There we go. Alright. Let's start off with the Max D. So it's got BKT tire printing, orange bead locks with gray rims, orange drive shaft, that's pretty cool, black roll cage, Tour Accurate flames, he's got the face, if you look closely, it now says 12-time Monster Jam World Finals champion. Yeah, definitely really cool. I'm glad they updated the Max D a little bit. So there's that, and let's check out Spin Master's version of Aftershock. Definitely a big difference. So you got the yellow rims with the BKT tire printing, yellow drive shaft, blue roll cage. You got a cream white grill. The decals, I think that's, I don't know what that is. It's something though. Then you got some computers right there. It says Aftershock. You got some like green and red, and then the Monster Jam logo. Aftershock on the tailgate. It says with some green stuff, and then more green color splats and everything on the side. Yeah, overall really cool. Spin Master's Aftershock is way better. So, definitely cool. Alright, so that was the unboxing of Max D and Aftershock. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time.